In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to apply a credit note to an invoice in Xero 2025 updated tutorial, 5 minutes. A credit note is what you use when you need to reduce or reverse part of a customer invoice. Think returned goods, pricing errors, or goodwill discounts after an invoice was approved. Applying it correctly keeps your accounts accurate, your tax reporting clean, and your customer balances up to date. Let's walk through the process clearly from start to finish. First, head to the Xero login page and sign in. Click Login, enter your email and password, then select Login again to access your organization. If your account uses multi-factor authentication, complete that as usual. Once you're in, you'll land on the dashboard where you can see a snapshot of your bank accounts, invoices, and overall financial position. From here, open the business menu and choose Invoices. To find the invoice you want to adjust, switch to the Awaiting Payment tab. This view shows invoices that have been approved but not fully paid, exactly where you'll typically apply a credit. Locate the relevant invoice and click it to open the full invoice view. Inside the invoice, look to the top right corner for the three-dot menu, sometimes labeled More Options. Click that, then choose Create and Apply Credit. Xero will prepare a draft credit note that's already linked to this invoice and contact, saving you time and reducing errors. Now review the credit note details. You can edit line descriptions, quantities, unit prices, and tax rates as needed, so the credit accurately reflects the reason for the adjustment. Make sure the date is correct for the reporting period, and consider adding a clear note in the description or reference field, like the return reason or price correction, to maintain a solid audit trail. If you're only crediting part of the invoice, enter the partial amounts accordingly. Xero will handle the math for you. Attach any supporting documents if that's part of your workflow. When everything looks right, click Approve. Xero immediately applies the approved credit to this invoice. You'll see the invoice balance reduced by the credit amount. If the credit fully covers the invoice, the balance will move to zero. If the credit is larger than the invoice, the excess becomes an available credit on the customer's account for future use. You can also view the invoice history to confirm the credit application and review the changes. That's it. You've logged in, found the invoice, created the credit, made necessary edits, and approved it so it applies correctly. Thanks for watching and happy accounting.